To download the app, go to Google Play Store and type OSN Academy. So this is our app. You can just download the app from here. So after downloading the app, you can either directly open it from Google Play Store, or the icon of OSN Academy like this will appear on your phone screen. You can directly go and click on that icon. After clicking on that icon, these screens will appear. So firstly, this welcome screen will appear. You have to click on next. Next, this screen, offline test screen, will appear. Again, you have to click on next, and then this screen will appear. So here below it is written get started. So you have to click on this screen. So after that, this screen will occur. So this is the first screen. Here you have to enter your personal information, which is your full name and your phone number. And then after, you have to click on register button. So students who have already registered themselves with us can go on login, and students who are new have to register newly. After clicking on the register button, this second screen will appear, which will ask you for selecting your course or batch. So according to whatever course is required for you, you can drag and choose your required course and click on this OK button. After that, this third screen will appear, which will ask for verification code. So an OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number, and after receiving that OTP, you have to fill that OTP here and click on verify button. So after this, firstly, this dashboard will appear. So here there are two options. One is course and one is all video. So in course-wise videos are available, and in all videos, subject-wise, all the videos are available there. So whatever course you have opted for, or whatever subject videos that you want to look out for, which are free, you can click on course button, and after clicking on, this second screen will appear. So for example, if you clicked on the English literature, this screen will be appearing, and here are on the above side, there are three options, which says video, notes and test. If you click on videos, these videos according to whatever the topic is will appear. And if you click on notes, this third window that I have shown here will open, which will provide you with all the notes of the related subject. And if you click on the test button, then the related test regarding your subject will appear on the screen. If you like the videos from the previous option, and if you want to purchase any course or any package, you have to go to the package option. There, two options will be coming after the screen which appears. First is my packages, wherein all the courses or all the packages that you have already bought would be showed. And in all packages, the required course that you want to purchase will appear. So this third screen here, when you click on all packages, here the screen will appear and it will show all the courses which are available. In the description box also, you can see that in that courses, what are the things that you will be getting. So all the information regarding what the course is, if there is something free or complimentary, that description will be provided here on. So after deciding about that whatever course that you want to purchase, you can, for example, if you have to choose English literature, you go and click on this English literature course, and after that this screen will appear. So this screen will give you information about what things or what exactly information that you would be requiring regarding your course is available here. So three options are here. So the number of videos in the particular course will be showed in this option. The amount of notes that are present in the particular course will be shown in this option. And when you click on the test option, the number of tests that are put in here will be shown. On the screen, you'll also get the information about the duration for which you are going to access the course, or the course will be available to you, and the price at which you are going to buy the package. So you can just go and check all these things, and after when you are satisfied, you can go and click on buy package option. When you click on this option, this screen will open up, wherein it will ask you for your phone number and email address, your personal credentials. You have to click on the proceed button here. So after clicking on the proceed button, this window will appear, which will ask you for your preferred payment mode. So whatever mode of payment you prefer, you can choose that and pay for your course. As soon as the payment process is complete and the payment is successful, the courses, the videos, all the notes and all the tests which were earlier logged will instantly be unlocked for your respective course. So students, this was the whole process of how to download and register for our app and how to get access to all the videos and notes. Students, if you have any kind of confusion regarding this process, you can call or WhatsApp on this number, and there is a link also which is in description box. If you want to directly download the app, you can just go to the description box and click on that link and you will get our app.